Meaning of fulcrum.
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 Fulcrum. The term fulcrum refers to the point on which a lever pivots or a pressure is applied. It is a crucial component in the mechanics of many physical systems, such as those found in engineering, physics, and even everyday tools like scissors. Without it, we wouldn't be able to utilize the power of levers, pulleys, or other devices that rely on them. In short, a fulcrum is a central point of support around which forces can be balanced and leveraged to achieve a desired result, making it an essential concept in the world of physics and mechanics.